So like I said guys, this is going to be to the point, so I'm not going to waste any time and try to install Python. So just Google it. The latest version is 3.9.4. I'm going to install this and open install. Be sure to check this path out, like you need to select this path, install now, yes. And in the meantime I will also do PyCharm download, and let's go to the official site and download the community edition. And once this is also done, install this. Python is installed. Install JetBrains. Next, community edition. I will associate it with this and also update the path variable. Install. This one is done. Close this. Make sure you download the community edition. It's free. And I want to reboot later. Close this. And now if I run Python, you will see Python over here. And this is our Python interpreter, and I can say print hello world, and you have written your first line of code in Python. So that is it for this video. In the next video, we will configure our PyCharm to write Python code.